Our nation faces an absolutely fundamental choice. In November, are we going to rescue, restore, and rebuild the struggling middle class in this country, or are we going to continue to shift even more wealth and advantages to those at the top at the expense of the middle class? Republicans have made it very clear where they stand on this critical choice. They did so when nearly every Republican in Congress voted in favor of the Ryan budget plan. And Governor Romney embraced that plan as, quote, marvelous. Marvelous. Well, not exactly a word that most average Americans would use to describe something they like, but the very centerpiece of the Ryan budget is a dramatic shift of even more wealth to those at the top, huge new tax cuts for the richest 2%. Now, you know, Madam President, we hear a lot about entitlements. This is an entitlement to those who are rich. It's an entitlement. Well, so how do they pay for all this? How do the Republicans pay for all this? Well, they don't want to say how they do, but all you have to do is look at the Ryan budget, and that will tell you how they pay for it. They pay for it by massive cuts, draconian cuts, to programs that undergird the middle class, essential to the quality of life in this country, like education cuts, student grants and loans cuts, law enforcement cuts, clean air and clean water cut, food safety cut, medical research cut, highways, bridges, and other infrastructure that was focused on by the senator from California, cut. Cut. All those would be cut. The Republican plan would end Medicare. It really would. Now, people say, well, it'd end Medicare as we know. It would end Medicare, period. It would turn it into voucher care. So now we have a new word, not Medicare, but voucher care. That would force seniors to pay nearly $6,000 more per year out of pocket for their health care in future years.